Hey everyone, this is Kevin T. Rodriguez, film critic of iCritic.net, and today we're doing an unboxing slash little mini review of Disney's live action The Little Mermaid. Now, I am very surprised to report I quite enjoy this movie. I think it still has some issues. It's too long, new songs aren't that great, and of course the realistic sea animals, I'd still prefer the animated movie. But that said, this is a very good addition. I do like Halle Bailey as Ariel. The guy they got as Eric is pretty good. I actually like Awkwafina. I don't like the Scuttlebutt, but I like Awkwafina as Scuttle. I thought that was very interesting casting. And so I decided I would pick this up on 4K Ultra HD. I wish this were in 3D. Maybe there was a 3D version of Japan. I'll have to check, because the 3D was exceptional in this movie. But, you know, in America, you have to make do with what you got. And I believe this is a Disney Movie Club exclusive edition. Disney's starting to, do interesting things with their 4K releases, and one of them is that, I think most of these 4Ks are exclusive to Walmart. I know Elemental you can only get in 4K at Walmart. I know Strange World you can only get in 4K at Best Buy. So the 4Ks are starting to become retailer exclusives, although Disney Movie Club gets all of them. So this is where I got it from. I got it from Disney Movie Club. I don't know if the cover is any different from the Walmart, but it's a very nice cover, as you can see. I like this hologram and the blue. I think this just pops. Look, whatever you think of the movie itself, and I know some people didn't care for it, this is a cover that pops. This is what makes physical media so much fun to collect. And you have this, you have Sebastian on one side, okay, you have Sebastian on both sides. And then on the back, you have Melissa McCarthy and King Triton. Javier Bardem was probably the least interesting thing about this movie. Melissa McCarthy definitely was good in this. And you have two versions of the movie, the original and the sing-along, which basically means subtitles for the songs. That's not really a big deal in my opinion. And look, special features. Song selection is not a big deal. It's like whatever. And yeah, so let's take this off. And as you can see, the cover is the same, but even though it's still a good cover, I just love how it pops on this. So this is why one of the reasons I'm glad I have the slip cover. And we have the H4K, Blu-ray, and digital code. The back is the same. I have issues with this all the time, it seems. And now I am going to open this up, and actually I'm going to pull it off camera just for a second, because it's one of those that, wow, this is just not, okay, there we go, got it. For those of you who like to see this sort of stuff unwrapped, pull it up. All right, now then. Oh, there's one thing I got to do. I always got to do this. It does come with a digital code, but I'm going to be redeeming that code. And these are the discs. So the Blu-ray is just a standard blue. I have to admit the blue is way more appropriate here than for most movies. Then you have this artwork of The Little Mermaid, and that's an interesting choice. I don't completely know what that is. It looks nice though. Obviously it's some fish of some. Oh, it's her fin. Oh, it's her fin. That's what it's her fin. So they have her fin there. Okay, that's an interesting choice. I actually think it would have been cool had she been all around this, kind of like how she's here, but all around the disc. But okay, whatever. The fin, I guess that works. The 4K disc is region free. As for the Blu-ray, oh, what do you know? Also all regions. So you can buy this and play it anywhere you want. And again, the Little Mermaid 4K release seems to be a Walmart and Disney Movie Club exclusive at the moment. I am not aware of any 3D version, although if there is, I will be buying it again, because this was one of the great 3D experiences. Truly, it was stunning in 3D. So, you know, just one more example of why 3D isn't exactly dead yet. But anyway, I would like to know, do any of you have this? Are you going to buy it? I would love to know. Comment below, like, favorite, share, subscribe, and as always, flame responsibly. Have a good one.